Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chris in Wisconsin on the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Chris, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our standard tune and alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power, mic gain all the way up. This one here has a carrier level of around 4 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello, that's 7 bird. 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, hello, hello, hello. About 37 PEP. Alright, Chris, ready to come to you, man? We got its twin ready to go as well. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. Bump, bump. And we're back with another tune-up report for Chris right around Wisconsin on this Cobra 29 Chrome number 2. Chris, we'll show you here like just a standard tune alignment, 25 watt slug, got you sitting around 3.5, 4 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello, that's 7.5 bird. Peak power, hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. Varying right there between 38 and 42 watts. A much improvement over the stock configuration. Lots more audio, and it's going to rock and roll for you, man. Alright, Chris, we're going to get these up there to you. Get your skip shooter antennas on the way as well. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at TruckCBSales.com. Bump, bump.